Welcome to Demented Tech Review. I'm Coco. Here we explore the cutting edge of technology with bold insights and clear analysis. From the sci-physical revolution to Apple's evolving digital future, we break down what's next in tech. Subscribe for intelligent, forward-thinking tech content that challenges the norm. Can you imagine an iPhone that charges faster than ever, records in stunning 8K, stays cool under pressure, and finally gives us the battery life we've all been begging for? Well, it's almost here. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be Apple's most advanced iPhone ever. Today, I'm breaking down 6 of the biggest leaks you need to know, plus confirmed release date predictions and pricing info you don't want to miss. Let's start with the release timeline. We're just about 2 months away from the official iPhone 17 launch. Apple is expected to hold its fall event in the second full week of September. That means, most likely, the keynote will happen on Tuesday, September 10th or Wednesday, September 11th. Pre-orders are expected to open on Friday, September 12th, and the phones will probably be available in stores starting Friday, September 19th. Now, what about pricing? Apple has kept US pricing pretty stable for years, and it looks like that trend will continue. The iPhone 17 Pro is expected to start at $999, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max will likely start at $1,199, with 256 gigabytes as the base storage. Of course, prices could vary slightly in other countries depending on currency exchange rates, taxes, and any tariffs in place at the time.
Let's talk about those juicy leaks! First up, a brand new color! The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are rumored to launch in a sky blue finish. It's the same gorgeous shade we've seen on some MacBook Air models. This might replace the current desert titanium, while classic colors like black, silver, and natural titanium will remain.
Leak number 2, a custom wireless modem. Apple is said to be building a new chip to handle Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 5G more efficiently. This will result in better connection, faster speeds, and possibly even less battery drain. Speaking of battery, here's some great news. The iPhone 17 Pro Max might finally come with a 5,000 mAh battery. Thanks to more efficient internals, Apple may have found the space to fit in a bigger battery. So we're talking longer usage, better performance, and maybe finally all-day battery life, even for power users. A new cooling system. If your current iPhone gets hot when recording video or gaming, you're going to love this. Apple may introduce a vapor chamber cooling setup, keeping performance stable and temperatures down, even when pushing the phone to the limit. Leak number 5. Faster wireless charging. The iPhone 17 Pro Max may support Qi 2.2, allowing for up to 50 watts of wireless charging. That's double the speed of what we get with MagSafe on the current models. Expect USB-C charging to match, or even exceed that. And finally, leak number 6. 8K video recording is coming. Creators, this one's for you. Shooting in 8K resolution means insane detail, future-proof footage, and even better video quality straight from your iPhone. And thanks to the new modem, cooling system, and larger battery, it should all run smoothly without overheating or killing your battery. So, to recap, new sky blue color, custom modem, bigger battery, improved cooling, super fast wireless charging, and 8K video recording. This iPhone 17 Pro Max is sounding like the ultimate upgrade. Are you excited for it? Which feature are you most hyped about? Let me know in the comments.